Learn English easily.
Usher's journey to become a man. Usher always had big dreams and was very curious about everything around him. His eyes would light up whenever he saw or learned something new. As Usher got older, he noticed changes in himself. He was not just a kid anymore. He was getting taller. His voice was changing, and he was starting to think and feel differently. This change from being a boy to becoming a young man was a big deal for Usher. It made him feel excited because he was growing up and could do more things on his own. But at the same time, it was a bit scary. He knew that being a young man meant he would have more responsibilities and that life might get more complicated. Usher would often look in the mirror and see that he didn't look like a little boy anymore. He saw someone who was almost a grown-up, and it made him think a lot about what kind of person he wanted to be. He wondered about the future, like what job he would have or where he would travel. All these thoughts were in his head as he stood at this important time in his life, ready to step into a new chapter. Usher lived with his parents and his younger sister Lily. They were a close-knit family, always sharing meals, laughter, and stories. But as Usher turned 16, he felt a change within him. He wanted to explore, learn, and see the world beyond his small town. Usher wanted to do something big to show everyone and himself that he was no longer just a little boy. He thought about it and came up with a plan. He would go on a camping trip with his friends to the hills not too far from where he lived. The thought of going on a trip without his parents made Usher feel excited, but also a bit nervous. It was a big step for him. Feeling brave, Usher went to his parents to ask if he could go camping. His parents listened, but they looked worried. They were concerned about his safety because he had never gone on a trip like this without them. Usher could see the worry in their eyes, but he looked back at them with so much determination. He wanted to show that he was responsible enough to handle this. Usher promised to do everything right. He felt proud that his parents trusted him. It was a big moment for him, taking a step toward being more independent. The camping trip was a new experience for Usher. He learned to set up a tent, cook meals over a campfire, and navigate using the stars. As he sat by the fire, chatting and laughing with his friends, Usher felt a sense of independence he had never felt before. It was exhilarating. After his camping trip, Usher wanted to keep showing that he was growing up. He thought of a new way to do this. He decided to get a job. He chose to work at a bookstore in his town. When Usher started working at the bookstore, he had a lot to learn. He had to be there on time, organize the books on the shelves, and help customers find what they were looking for. Sometimes he even got to recommend his favorite books to people who came in, which made him happy. Working at the bookstore was about more than just making money for Usher. It was a big step in learning how to be responsible. He had to balance his time between the job, school, and his other activities. It wasn't always easy, but Usher enjoyed the challenge. He felt proud every time he managed to do all his tasks well. The job also helped Usher meet and talk to lots of different people. He met old people who loved classic books, kids who were excited about new stories, and everyone in between. Talking to all these people helped Usher learn how to communicate better and understand people more. He was becoming more confident and independent, and he liked the feeling of growing up and handling more responsibilities. As Usher grew up, he wasn't just learning things like how to camp or work in a bookstore. He was also starting to understand his feelings better, which was a big part of becoming an adult. One of the new feelings Usher experienced was having a crush. There was a girl in his class named Mia who had a bright and friendly smile. Whenever Usher saw her, he felt something special. His heart would start beating really fast, and he would feel happy and nervous at the same time. It was all very new and a bit confusing for him. Usher learned a lot from having these feelings for Maya. He found out about the happy parts of liking someone, like how it can make your day better just to see them. But he also learned about the harder parts, like feeling shy about talking to her or wondering if she liked him back. Usher realized it's important to respect how other people feel too, not just his own feelings. Another part of Usher's journey was figuring out how to get along with his parents as he got older. He wanted to do more things by himself and make his own choices, but his parents were still worried about him. They would sometimes say no to things he wanted to do, and this would make Usher feel frustrated. These times were hard for Usher and his parents, but they also helped him learn how to talk about his feelings and listen to what his parents were worried about. They had to work together to understand each other. Usher learned to explain why he wanted more freedom, and his parents learned to trust him more. They found a way to give Usher the space he needed to grow up while still looking after him. This balance was a big part of Usher becoming more mature and understanding how to be part of a family. Usher faced a really big and difficult decision when he was about to finish school. He had to choose what he wanted to do next in his life. Usher loved art a lot. He enjoyed drawing and painting and felt happy whenever he was creating something. But there was also a big choice to make about maybe picking a more normal job, like being an engineer or an accountant. People often thought these were the best kinds of jobs to have. He spent many nights thinking hard about what to do. He thought about how much he loved art and how it made him feel. Finally, after a lot of thinking, Usher decided that he wanted to have an art career. He wanted to follow his passion for creating beautiful things. This decision made Usher feel really happy and excited about his future. When Usher told his parents about his decision to pursue art, They were very supportive. They saw how much he loved it and how dedicated he was. They wanted him to be happy and do what he loved. In the end, Usher learned that growing up or coming of age isn't just about getting older. It's about living life, finding out who you are, and learning to make your own decisions. Usher's journey to becoming an adult was full of new experiences, challenges, and discovering things about himself.
A great day with friends. Tina opened her eyes and stretched, feeling excitement in her heart. She knew that today was not just an ordinary day. It would be an amazing day because she had planned something very special with her friends. Jumping out of bed, Tina felt a rush of happiness. She couldn't wait to meet her friends and enjoy the day they had planned together. She quickly brushed her teeth and combed her hair. Then it was time to pick out her outfit for the day. Tina opened her wardrobe and there it was, her favorite pink dress. It was a beautiful shade of pink that reminded her of cotton candy and happy summer days. It was comfortable too, perfect for a day filled with fun activities. Finally, Tina grabbed her small backpack, putting in a few important things like her wallet, water bottle, and favorite sun hat. She was now ready for her adventure. As she stepped out of her house, Tina felt a gentle breeze on her face. The sky was a bright blue with no clouds in sight. With a big smile, Tina headed towards the meeting spot, ready for the wonderful day ahead with her best friends. Tina arrived at the town square, a lovely open space in the middle of the town where people often met to enjoy the day. She saw her friends waiting for her. Her friends' faces lit up with joy when they saw her. They ran towards each other, smiling widely. They gave each other big, warm hugs, the kind that makes you feel all fuzzy and happy inside. They were all chatting excitedly, talking all at once, their voices mixing in a happy buzz. Each friend was unique. One was always joking, another was super smart, and one was always kind and caring. But when they were together, their differences only made their friendship stronger. They decided to start their day with a trip to the local shopping mall. When they entered the mall, they stepped into a world full of people. There was the sweet smell of pastries coming from a bakery, and the sound of music playing softly from a nearby store. Tina and her friends felt a buzz of excitement as they walked through the mall, ready to explore all the fun things it had to offer. As they walked through the mall, Tina and her friends chatted and laughed, trying on silly hats and admiring pretty dresses. They visited their favorite stores, each buying a little something to remember the day. Tina found a cute little keychain, a tiny teddy bear with a heart, which she instantly loved. After spending some time shopping and having fun in the mall, Tina and her friends decided it was time for a movie. They walked to the movie theater, which was nearby. They looked at the list of movies playing and quickly agreed to watch a comedy. Tina loved comedies because they were full of laughs and funny moments. They bought their tickets and walked into the theater. Inside, the movie theater was dimly lit, giving it a cozy and comfortable feeling. The seats were soft and plush, perfect for settling in and watching a movie. As they found their seats, the lights dimmed even more, and the screen in front of them lit up. Before the movie started, they went to the snack counter and got big buckets of popcorn and cold sodas. The popcorn was warm and buttery, and the soda was fizzy and refreshing. The movie was hilarious. It was full of funny jokes and silly situations that made Tina and her friends laugh out loud. They laughed so much that their sides began to hurt. When the movie ended, they all felt a bit hungry from all the laughing. So, they decided to go to a nearby restaurant to have dinner. The restaurant was just a short walk from the theater. They sat at a big table and looked at the menu. They decided to order all their favorite foods, cheesy pizzas with lots of toppings, juicy burgers with crispy fries, and some cool drinks to wash it all down. As they waited for their food, they talked about the movie, recounting the funniest scenes and laughing all over again. When their food arrived, it smelled and looked delicious. As they ate, they shared stories, told jokes, and enjoyed each other's company. As the day turned into evening, Tina and her friends took a long walk in the park. The park was peaceful, and they found a nice spot on the grass and sat down, watching the sunset. As they said their goodbyes, Tina felt a warm glow in her heart. She was grateful for her friends and the wonderful day they had spent together. It was indeed a great day, filled with laughter, joy, and the magic of friendship. And as Tina walked home, she thought to herself that these were the moments that truly made life beautiful. And so, Tina's great day with her friends became a cherished memory, a reminder of the joy and happiness that come from spending time with the people you love. The end.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.